What's up guys, we're back here. We finally have this beautiful van ready for the road trip. You can smell the paint on it. We have a new motor and we're gonna take it on its first big adventure. So, the first stop on the Bula Van Tour is Umeå, Sweden. It's around a 12-hour drive up north, and I heard there's a festival up there called Brännbollsyran. I'm not really sure what type of festival this is, but I know there's some concerts and some pretty cool stuff going on up there, so it should be fun. So everything's pretty much ready to set sail, but we have to do one more thing, and that is Fredrik apparently has a really big sticker we're gonna try to stick on the roof. So that's our challenge right now. Alright, here we go, the sticker's on. Fredrik, you did an amazing job. Let's get this tour going. The touch of your hand makes me. All right, we're here in Trysil. I think we've been driving around 4 or 5 hours. I think it's time to see how this engine's holding up. It's going pretty good. So yeah, so anyways, we stopped here and just by chance, there happens to be a skate park. In June and it's snowing outside right now. It's pretty slick. I think we should probably just keep going here.
Yeah, we should. We should go.
Yeah. What's going on? We've been driving all day. Now it's time to rest up a little bit. See if the other guys can catch up with us.
Yeah. What's this place called?
This place is called, I can't remember, but Swed. Swag. The point is, we made it to Sweden. We crossed the border. It is around 10 o'clock. Still light out, which is really cool, but I feel like we should rest up a little bit.
Hello.
Hello.
YouTuber?
We're making a YouTube. That's nice. It's pretty cool. So, I officially made it to Sweden, and I'm meeting some new friends.
Hello. Hello.
Is there any skate parks here, or? No? Good thing. Give it up. Boom. We're about to rest up and we found 3 new friends that are interested in some merch, but I told them they have to at least do something to get it, so.
Okay.
Where's the t-shirt?
Alright, cool.
Super duper duper simple. We're gonna have a competition. You get a shoe.
Tom, we gotta go here.
Okay, fine. The rules are getting hard here.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
You get a shoe, you get a shoe. You get a shoe.
Whoever lands their shoe the closest to the t-shirt over there wins.
We got a winner! Woo! We got a winner!
Congrats.
Alright, so we're in the middle of northern Sweden and it's the middle of the night. The sun is kind of up, but we just reached the Bula squad. That means Tom, Erik and Herman, and me and the king of Was just came to pick them up. So we're gonna try to drive it up the ramp, and then we're gonna continue for about 8 hours to Umeå. And yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
Alright, so we've been driving all night and we're almost in... Where are we going?
Umeå for Brännbollsyran.
Yeah, so we're gonna do it. We're almost there. Just another 10-15 minutes. So let's keep going.
Tjena! Emil!
Tjena!
Trevligt!
Hyggligt.
Herman!
Emil.
So we just arrived in Sweden and we parked the car. We don't know actually where we're supposed to park it, but it doesn't really matter because we're playing this ball tournament. What is this ball tournament? What is this called?
Some kind of baseball.
Nej, brännboll.
The Brännboll tournament here in Sweden. And we got these amazing girls to play with us. And the Bula squad, the Bula Warriors 83. So we got 3 matches here at lane 23. And we don't know who we're playing, but it's gonna be a good time.
We don't know the rules.
But we're just living the good life, Bula style. We also met up with Emil, which is a true legend here at Brännbollsyran. He's a para speed gliding flying champion. And he's world champion speed flying. And he's gonna explain the rules and shit for this stuff. Yes. What just happened?
Well, we just lost our first match in Brännboll. Of course, we won the first one, second one we lost, and now we're gonna play the third match. I believe we have to win this one to make it on to the semifinals.
To advance, we have to win this one.
Chicken dinner, yes! Bula, bula, bula!
Alright, it's really exciting. So we've done, I think, 3 games so far. And we won the last one. Are we on to tomorrow or what is this? That's pretty cool. So we made it to the semifinals or something. Yeah!
Alright. Now we have finally found our spot here at the Brännbollsyran. Gonna set up the Bula-lounge. See, the car is here. Emil is taking out the grass. Got some plants, got some chairs. Gonna be good times.
We made it to the festival and we're setting up the camp. But we got some wind issues.
Looks fabulous. Alright, so today it's pretty cold. So we've been hanging a bit in the van. We gotta get people warmed up, so we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna buy a stove, a can, a boiler, and we're gonna make up some hot chocolate here for the Bula van.
Oh yeah, baby, hot chocolate coming your way. Alright, we got the goods. We're gonna cook up some hot chocolate. We also got coffee and tea, so let's get this party going. Oh, it's hot though.
It's good?
It's hot.
It's good?
Hot chocolate.
Bra, varsågod. Tackar för hot chocolate. Tack så mycket.
Hey, 5 o'clock we're playing at this field. Can you guys come watch?
Okej, vad heter ert lag?
Bula.
Bula.
Nej, det är Bula. Det heter Bula.
Bula.
The Bula Warriors.
Okej. Kommer ni vinna hela turneringen?
Ja, easy.
100%.
Hey, welcome to the Bula Van Tour.
Nej, vi fan vad grymt!
Jag kommer ner klockan 5.
Ja,
Och heja. Ta den. Om du får den, kommer du då?
Absolut. Ja.
Kom nu heja.
Ses klockan 5.
Vilken bana?
Bana 9.
9.
Bana 9, klockan 5.
So you've just been drafted to the Bula Warriors 83.
This is my biggest dream come true.
Welcome to the team.
Är då så här tycker jag. Man kör 100% oavsett och bara springer. Ge järnet! Alltså, även fast man är trött. Slår man en asdålig boll, spring. Och sen måste man också ha koll på när de kastar boll. Ja, exakt. Ja. Och så tar vi lyror, ta lyra. Ta lyra. Men det viktigaste, oavsett motstånd, så tar vi dem ändå. Ja.
Here we have the coach, Ylva. Here we have next coach, Vera. Here we have next member, Moa. Here we have next member, Vilma. Are you ready?
We're fired up. We're gonna win this shit.
another member.
Hey.
Are you ready?
Jajamän.
Okay.
Det är gott att se dig. All right.
Are you ready?
Pretty ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm so ready. What team do you cheer for?
The Bula-team!
Of course!
Oh yeah, man!
1, 2, 3. Bula! 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 Great job.
Finals and we're off to quite a rough start.
Bula! 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 Bula!
It didn't go as planned.
But we
Had fun.
had fun. Yeah. What do you think about the game? What do we have to say?
They took this really serious.
Yeah.
Not that we didn't, but I wish them all the best, and it was a pleasure hanging here and just playing. De hejar på oss!
Det är bästa laget i år!
We live for good times.
Good times. Bula and good times. That's what
Win
we
or
have.
lose, we don't care.
Yeah.
We always win the party. Alright, third day here at Brännbollsyran in Umeå. Weather is good, a lot of people, and yeah, a lot of fun. Everybody's ready, so woo!
What are we offering today? Hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate, some games, some good stuff,
Free stuff.
free stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Sam, what do you have to say?
I'm excited. There's so many more people here today. It's packed full. So we're just gonna have fun and give away some gifts and just have a good time.
So there are so many people who love the hot chocolate and all the snacks we have in the car. So we gotta head back to the store and get more. Woo. We're juiced up. So what we're about to do is we are going to try to pass this ball to random people and see how many picks up. Is it
Coffee.
nah? I got it today, I'll come do.
Good times. Bula living good life.
Bus Hunter is going too hard here.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within.
So we're packing up. We're packing up the van. It's been a great festival here in Umeå. The Brännbollsyran. It's been amazing. We're a bit bummed we didn't make it all the way to the finals, but after all, quite happy about the way we played. We never played before, so it was a great experience. So yeah, pack up the shop and
On to the next festival.
on to the next one.
It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
Okay guys, so it is 3:25 a.m. in the morning. Stian has been driving pretty much all night. This guy right here is a machine behind the wheel. I slept a few hours. We're back at base camp. 3 days later, the van held up back and forth to Sweden, Stian.
Yes.
It's been an adventure.
It's been an adventure.
It has. We made it.
We made it.
Hopefully you like what we're doing here. We're gonna be going on some more fun adventures this summer in this bad boy. If you like what we're doing, subscribe, maybe leave a comment. Is there a spot where you guys want us to go this summer? Let us know and we might show up there. You just never know.
Who knows?
So it's definitely time to go home, get some sleep, and plan out the new adventure.
Peace.
Make sure to follow the Bula subscribe and like, leave a comment,
and buy this shirt. And
yeah,
this
it's awesome.
cap.
Cap. It's cap.